People often ask me, how do you write bass lines or bass solos? The answer can be both simple and complex. I'll start out by answering simply, and throughout this video, I'll give you ideas for making your bass lines and solos more complex. Use different scale notes and positions together to create bass lines. To start, use scale notes only. Try any combination of scale notes. If you are playing with another musician, he or she should use chords taken from the scale you are playing. For example, C, F, and G are scale notes that can be used as chords. If the other musician is playing a rhythm using these chords, the most basic bass line would be to play the notes that name each chord. But you can easily play a more interesting bass line by using the natural scale along with the chords. To make your bass line stand out, you can use the different techniques and applications provided in this video and even invent a few of your own. As you get more comfortable, you can begin to change keys and even scales during a bass line, song, or a bass solo. There is no end to the possibilities of what you could do to any single note or group of notes. Take this scale and explore every possibility. Music is emotion. Learn to put your personal feelings into your playing. Happiness, sadness, love, hate, excitement, aggression. These are your personal feelings that you can express in your music. Write them, learn them, play them fast and slow. Question and answer or Q&A phrasing is another technique used for creating bass lines. Pick a scale position. By playing any combination of scale notes, other than the root note or key note, you can write a melody that sounds incomplete. This will pose as a question. To complete the question, play any combination of scale notes ending on the root note. This will pose as an answer. The natural scale can either be used as a major or minor key. There are also other modes of the natural scale, as well as key changes, which will be covered later on. For the key of C major, I'll play a simple question phrase by playing the B, D, then E note. For the answer, we'll complete the phrase by playing D, B, and end on C. Notice that we're including the root note for the answer. Here we'll take our scale and focus on the key of A minor. For the question, we can play C, D, then E. Remember, a question uses scale notes but avoids the root note. So for the answer, we will include the root note and we'll play D, C, and end on A, our minor root note. Here it is without speaking. Take some time and see how many 3- and 4-note Q&A phrases you can write. Another way to play a question phrase is to play any combination of scale notes, including the root note, but not ending on the root note. So for a minor example, we can start on A, play C, D, then C again for the question, or we can start on A, play C, D, and D for a question. For the answer, you can include any scale notes but end on the root note. You can also play different combinations of Q&A phrases. For example, place your focus on the question phrase by playing a question, question, then an answer. Here's one in the key of C major. Or you can drive home the focus on your answer by playing question, answer, answer.